Hello everyone, I am Pranjali Kumbhar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany. Today we will learn a very important disease of tomato, that is leaf spot of tomato. The host is tomato. Its botanical name is Lycopersicon esculentum and family is Solanaceae. Let's discuss about the occurrence and distribution of leaf spot of tomato. The tomato is one of the very important vegetable crop and it is cultivated in all over the states. The tomato crop which is reported or which is introduced into from the western country to the India, and it is cultivated all over the world throughout the year. And the tomato crop which is cultivated, or this disease which is reported from the all over the states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. The leaf spot of tomato, which is very destructive disease, and the disease which is responsible for the heavy losses is known as destructive disease. Let's learn about symptoms of leaf spot of tomato. The symptoms which are mainly found on the leaves, and these symptoms which are primarily found on the young leaves first. On the young leaves, the irregular spots are developed and these spots gradually turn brown and that area becomes pale due to the loss of chlorophyll, that is due to the chlorosis. Afterwards that area becomes what? Brown in color, and it is a type of what? Necrotic symptoms. What is necrosis? Necrosis means where the death of host tissue takes place. Death of host tissue takes place is known as what? Necrosis. Firstly, where in this leaf the chlorosis occurs, means what? The loss of chlorophyll takes place. Loss of chlorophyll takes place, hence that area becomes what? Pale, and afterwards that area becomes what? Brown, and that symptom is known as what? Necrotic symptoms. And the gradually each spots develops what? Concentrated ring, like this type of concentrated ring on the leaves, then stem, as well as fruits also. Okay, and that concentrated, due to this concentrated ring, that effect is known as what? Target board effect. And that effect, or these rings which are found on the stem, fruit, as well as petiole. Okay, and that spots or these lesions which gives the burnt appearance or the blighted appearance to the leaves or whole crop. Hence this disease is also known as what? Early blight of tomato. Early blight of tomato. The spots which develops on the petiole, stem, as well as fruit. On the stem the spots are developed. These spots are what? Sunken, and that area which gets fallen down. That area which gets what? Fallen down, and defoliation also occurs. What is defoliation? That is fallen down of leaves. Fallen down of leaves. Hence this disease, we know that this disease is what? Destructive disease. This disease is what? Destructive disease. What is destructive disease? Where all the crop which is all the parts of the plant which get affected and heavy loss occurs is known as what? Destructive disease. Due to these symptoms like chlorosis, necrosis, target board effect, that is ring-like appearance or ring-like spots appeared on the leaves, stem and fruit, and the blighted appearance which appears on the early stage of the plant. Hence the plant get stunted. The growth of the plant get stunted. These are all the symptoms of the leaf spot of tomato. Next, we will learn about the causal organism of leaf spot of tomato. The causal organism which is Alternaria solani, and it is a fungus. Hence this disease is what? Fungal disease. The classification of causal organism is class Deuteromycetes, order Monelials, family Dematiaceae, genus Alternaria, and species Solani. Next, the Alternaria solani, it is a type of fungus. Hence, this disease is what? Fungal disease. The Alternaria solani, which develops leaf spot diseases in many plants. Many plants like tomato, brinjal, okay? The mycelium of this fungus, that is Alternaria solani, is what? Endophytic. What is endophytic? Endophytic means when the mycelium which is present inside the host cell. The mycelium which is present inside the host cell is known as what? Endophytic mycelium. It is branched and septate. What is septate? Whenever the mycelium which having the partition or the compartment which is present inside the mycelium called as what? Septate mycelium. It is intracellular or intercellular. Then what is intracellular and what is intercellular? Intracellular means when the mycelium which is present inside the host cell called as what? Intracellular. And intercellular means when the mycelium which present in between two cells known as what? Intercellular mycelium. Okay. The mycelium which produces some vertical branches at the tip of which the conidia develops. Means that mycelium which present what? The vertical branches and on that vertical branches the conidia are developed. Okay, and that conidia which develops on what? The conidiophore means the vertical branches, the mycelium which produces some vertical branches at the tip of which the conidia develops called as conidiophore. Conidiophore means, phore means what? Branch. Phore means what? Branch, and on that branch the reproductive structure will get developed, and that reproductive structure is known as what? Conidia. And that conidia is, or the conidium is muriform and which is brown in color. Means the conidia which is muriform means what? The bottle shaped conidia. Having the bottle shaped conidia which possesses what? The transverse as well as vertical septa. Transverse septa means horizontal septa or the partition which is present inside the conidium, and which also having what? Vertical septa means the vertical partition which is present inside the conidium. Okay. Each conidium which having or which is characterized by presence of beak or neck. It is what? Beak or neck. Hence, this conidium is known as what? Beaked conidium. Okay. And this beak which is usually what? Colorless. And the conidia or the conidiophore is brown in color. Okay. This is all about what? The fungus, that is Alternaria solani. Let's learn about the disease cycle of Alternaria solani. The disease which is mostly soil-borne disease. What is soil-borne disease? When the source of inoculum which is present into the soil called as soil-borne disease. As we know that causal organism which is intercellular or intracellular. Okay? Intercellular or intracellular means what? When the source of inoculum which is present inside the cell which called as what? Intracellular, and whenever the source of inoculum which is present in between two cells called as intercellular. When the mycelium which is intercellular, it produces what? Haustoria for the absorption of food material. For the absorption of food material. And when this source of inoculum, that is the mycelium which is present soil on the crop debris, the conidium, that is the reproductive structure which produces what? Germ tube. Which produces germ tube and which infect to healthy crop. Which infect to healthy crop, and in this way the disease cycle of Alternaria solani which get completed. Next we will see the control measures. For the controlling the leaf spot of tomato, we have to use these control measures, that is sanitation, crop rotation, use of chemicals and use of disease resistant variety. Then what is sanitation? Sanitation, which is the cleanliness practice, and as we know that it is a soil borne disease, we have to prefer the sanitation, that is the field which is made clean by removing all the crop debris. Crop debris means what? The crop remnants which is present inside the soil, and on that crop debris the source of inoculum which is present. Hence we have to do the sanitation firstly. Next one is what? Crop rotation. What is crop rotation? It is a practice of changing the type of crop in the next year in the same field. Means what? Or when we sown the tomato plant in this year, after in the next year we have to change this crop. We do not have to cultivate the tomato plant in the next year in the same field. Next one is what? Use of chemicals. We have to use many chemicals or many fungicides for controlling the fungal diseases like leaf spot of tomato or leaf spot of brinjal. We have to use the most important or fungicide, that is the Bordeaux mixture, and due to this Bordeaux mixture the fungal diseases will get controlled. Next one is what? Use of disease resistant variety. We have to use disease resistant variety for controlling all these leaf spot diseases of the tomato or any other diseases of tomato. This is all about the leaf spot of tomato, its occurrence and distribution, then symptoms. Next one that is causal organism, then disease cycle and control measures of leaf spot of tomato. Thank you.